Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your PowerPoint slides as image, either JPG image or PNG image. All right, let's start. So let's say this one of our slides. Let me duplicate this slide so that we have more slides that we want to save as JPEG. So for you to duplicate your slide, there are two ways of doing that. The first one, you will right click on the slide at this left hand corner of your content. You see duplicate slide. So you go to duplicate slide. You click on duplicate slide. Now your slide is duplicated with all its content. So now you can see this is the first slide, this is the second slide. So let me change this to first slide. Let me put slide one. So let me remove the item there. So this slide one. So let me adjust the image a bit just to make something unique. So this slide one. So another way of duplicating your slide is by holding Control on your keyboard and D, that's Control D. So you have duplicates. So you see, you have the duplicate here. So let's rename this slide 2. You have slide 2. So let's create one more slide so we can have up to 3 slides of, let's say 3 slides. So Control D. So I have another slide. So now you have slide 3. So now we have 4 slides in total. So assuming we want to make this, we want to save this as image. You know, when you save it as image, it has other things, other advantage. You can use it in your video. You want to create a video with slide, and you will just input your video, your slide into your video. So let's save now. So you come to File, on the menu. So you go to the next one, you will see New, Open, Save As. You click on Save As. So when you click on Save As, so you select where you want to save it. So let me pick desktop. So now on the desktop, the name you want to use to save it. So I'm using PowerPoint slides. So from the Save As type, you will go to either JPEG or PNG. You can even save it as GIF, that's GIF. So anyone you want. Let me select JPEG. So you click Save. Now, when you click Save, it will show a notification to ask that which slides do you want to export. The first option, you have all slides. All slides means you want to export all the slides that you're having in that PowerPoint presentation as image, or just this one. Just this one means the slide that is opened while saving. That's for that one. So firstly, let me save all slides. So you will see before we move to just this one. So select all slides. So it shows that each slide in your presentation has been saved as a separate file in the folder. You click OK. Now, since we are selecting all the slides, now let's see where it is saved. As you can see, these are the slides. Let me increase it. As you can see, these are the slides you're having. This is the first slide, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So now you have the slides that is showing. So let's save, assuming you want to save a particular slide. Let's say I want to save just slide 2. So this slide 2, let me change so you can see the difference when I show you on the, let's put slide 2 only. Slide 2, let me put B. Or okay, let me create another slide and make it slide 4. So let me put slide 4. So now we have slide 4, and I want to save only the slide 4. Let me change it so the pattern will change. As we want to save only this slide among all the slides, you can select anyone if it's this slide, but let me just use this slide for as an example. So the first thing is, if you are to save only one slide, you click on that slide. So you can see on the left hand side here, which you are having the list of your slide. You can see that slide 4 is highlighted and slide 4 is opened. So you come to save as. When you come to your file, you select save as. When you select save as, you select the location where you want to save it. I'm choosing the desktop. Then I name it slide 5. Then that's the file name. Then you come to save as type. Then you scroll down, you select JPG, save. So the option will show, you select just this one.